people, this is your girl Akpete. Today I'm back here again to share with you how I make this creamy and delicious coconut ice cream. I hope you love it. So you just sit down and enjoy. So guys, I start by busting my coconut, then I remove it. Then I start by washing it one by one to make it very clean. So I've done washing my coconut. I go ahead and start cutting it into small pieces so that I can blend it with my blender. Guys, my coconut is ready to blend, so I go ahead and start pouring it inside my blender. Then I add my coconut water to blend it. So I'll blend this like 3 minutes so everything has come very smooth. Now it's ready, so it's time to start sieving it. So guys, I finished sieving it at the first time, so I start by sieving it at the second time again because I don't want any lumps inside my ice cream. You can decide to sieve it like 3 times. So now it's ready and it's looking very creamy already. So I pour it back inside the blender. Then I add 1 cup of sugar, half cup of powdered milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra for flavor, then pinch of salt. Then I go ahead and blend it so everything has come together very well. So now everything has come together, so I go ahead and grab my bowl, then I pour it inside. So I want some big, so I don't pour all inside the bowl. I pour some, then I put the remaining one back. Then I add my food color. I'm using pink color. So I blend it, then everything has come together. Then I remove it, then I pour it at one side of the white. Guys, I put it inside the freezer like 6 to 7 hours. Here we are. The creamy coconut ice cream is ready to enjoy. I hope you are going to try this recipe. Try it and let me know the result at the comment section. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to support your girl by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, share the video with your friend. Thank you. Bye.